To make professional videos or photos, you would need a lighting kit. In this video, I will do a review of Neewer LED lighting kit. The reason why I bought this light was to homogeneously light up my green background. But you could easily use it for both videography and photography. Its flexible arm makes it very versatile. So let's get started. It comes with a large bag that you can use for all the 3 stands and the lights and everything that comes with it. By the way, the separation pads are removable. As you can see, there are so many items in this box. The most important one is the LED light itself. Boom arm, LED dimmer, power supply, light stand, universal wheel, counterweight sandbag, a simple user manual. First, we set up the stand. At the top of the stand, there is a plastic cap. Simply unscrew it. The screw size is 1/4 inch. Underneath the LED light, there is a hole, so simply insert the LED light onto the top of the stand and then tighten it using this handle. This is the lowest height position when the light itself is standing upright. Just like a laptop, we need to connect the extended cable to this adapter, and then we need to connect this LED dimmer to the extended cable. You could easily move the LED light to different angles. So I move it from vertical to completely horizontal position, and then I tighten it so that you could see the hole for plugging the power supply. Now connect the DC power input. And finally, insert the plug into the socket to power up this light. On the dimmer, there is a knob that you need to turn in order to turn on the light, as well as to control the brightness. The cable is long enough to reach the corner of a large room. You could also mount the wheel on top of the stand like this. Don't forget to tighten it. It is called a universal wheel because it has got 2 holes to insert the extra support arm. For this model, you need to insert the support arm in the smaller hole. You could expand the hole by turning the wheel and making it looser. And once you insert the rod in, you can turn the wheel again to make it tight. With this wheel, you could easily position the light in the horizontal position further away from the center of the stand. So simply add the light on the end of this arm that we have mounted on the wheel. At the end of this arm also there is a plastic cap that you need to unscrew, and the other end of this arm also has got a 1/4 inch screw hole to insert the sandbag. The sandbag has got a removable hook that you need to take out, and then first insert the hook to the bottom of this arm, screw it tightly and up to the end, and then you could easily put on the sandbag. Obviously, I'm putting here the sandbag empty just for the demonstration, but if you're outdoor in a windy place, then it is very helpful to have the sandbag with sand or some stones to counterweight the weight of the light itself and forces by the wind. It's very easy to use the knob to extend the stand's height. As you can see, the stand height can go really very high. I'm 6 feet tall, and as you can see, I can easily stand underneath this light when the light is in the horizontal position exactly above my head. You could also create creative lightings by holding the light in your hands and moving it around to get different results. Also, you could adjust the light's brightness to get even more creative. These are the dimensions. Most importantly, the tripod itself can go up to 2 meters in height without even adding the light, which itself is 80 centimeters. So if you add the light and the tripod together, you get a height of 2 meters 80 centimeter, which is really very high. Technical specifications. Model is called BH-30S. Each light has got 60 individual LED units. Color temperature is 5500 Kelvin, which is same as the color temperature of daylight with clear sky. Color rendering index CRI of equal or greater than 95. It's a very high CRI score, which helps to get more natural colors. Power output of 36 watts and DC input of 13 volts at 3 amps. Things that Neewer could improve are: the brightness doesn't change gradually enough from 0 to 100. I wish the light itself could have been longer, or at least long lights were also available for sale. And finally, it would have been great if Neewer could sell the lights alone without the tripods. The same light is available as 2-pack, that means 2 lights, for $116 on Amazon USA. I'm sure 3 package is also available on Amazon USA. On Amazon UK, you could find it for £133, the 3-pack. And you could also apply a £20 voucher. The links to Amazon US and Amazon UK are in the description. If you want to get better at filmmaking, I suggest you to watch my playlist on microphones. If you want to learn more about lighting, I suggest you to watch my video of what is CRI in lighting. And obviously, don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.